You guys may have seen these videos on the internet where people are swapping faces with the celebrities or famous personalities, and this is also a very fun way to prank with your social media friends. But if you're struggling to find the best face swapping AI tools, you guys are at the right place, because in this video, I'm gonna share 3 best face swapping AI tools that you can use right now. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Now before getting into it, here's a quick disclaimer that this video is only for the educational purposes, and any misuse of these AI tools may lead you to the legal consequences. Now let's start with the number 3, and this is called remaker.ai. So this is the URL. I will also leave the link in the description below. First of all, you have to sign up with your Google account. So let's say I'm gonna click on that and sign in with your Google account. So once you are in, you will get 30 credits for free. And here we have 3 different options: video face swap, image face swap, and you can also face swap your images with the multiple faces. And the process is very simple. First of all, you have to upload your targeted video. So let's say I'm gonna select this video, and in the second box, you have to upload your targeted face. So I'm gonna use this beautiful portrait of a gal gadget. And here you can see it shows that it will cost 5 credits for 5 seconds long video. That means 1 credit per second. So I'm gonna hit swap, and this will start processing the video. Okay, so here we have the output video. So here is the before and after. You can see even her hands are on her face, but still it's working really good. Now let's move on to the second tool, that is SwapFace. And this is their website. So this AI tool is completely free to use, and you guys have to install this software on your computer. And to download this software, you have to click on this download for Windows. So after downloading and installing this on your computer, you guys will have this interface. So here you can see we have 3 different options: stream face swap, video face swap, and image face swap. And the one more interesting feature that it offers you, that you can swap the face with other person even when you are doing a live stream. But we're only gonna do a video face swap, so I'm gonna click on the video face swap. And here you can see we have some model faces here, so you can even use these models for a face swap. And if you want to upload your own file, you even have that option. So I'm gonna go with this one, and in this box you have to upload your video file. So that's I'm gonna upload this video, and after some kind of processing, here you can see on the bottom left corner, this is the actual video face, and we are swapping the face with this lady. And now we have to select the mode. So here we have 4 different models: fast, pro, expert, and hybrid. So it all depends on your computer specs. So if you have a high-end GPU, you can go with the pro mode or the expert mode or the hybrid mode, but I'm gonna go with the fast mode and hit start. Okay, so this is the before and after of this video, and you can see this is not 100% matching, and this is only because of the fast mode. And if you're selecting the pro mode or a hybrid mode, you're definitely gonna get some better results. But again, it depends on your computer specs. And if you talk about the daily usage, in a free plan, you can face swap 10 videos a day. That I think is a good amount. Now let's move on to the number 1, that is a free Google Collab notebook. And a credit goes to this guy, Merit AI, who shared this awesome Google Collab notebook with us. And he also shares a really good content, so you should definitely check it out. Now getting back to our Google Collab notebook. So first of all, we have to click on this connect button, and this will be connected to your GPU. If you don't see this option, simply go to the runtime and click on the change runtime. And now select T for GPU and hit save button. So once it's connected, you have to click on this play button to run this cell. And now hit run anyway, and this will start executing this code. Okay, once the first cell is completed, we have to run the second cell. So this process can also take some time. Now before running the third cell, we have to upload our targeted face and the targeted video. And for that, you have to click on this files folder and now hit the upload button. And here you have to upload the file. So let's say I'm gonna select my targeted video and the targeted face. So once the files are uploaded, you have to copy the path of the video first. So click on the copy path and replace it with this section. And same goes with the image. Copy the path of your image and replace it with this section, .png section. Now hit the run button, and this will start doing the face swapping. Okay, the video is ready, and you can see the success message at the end of this cell. And to find your swapped video, you have to click on this refresh button, and here you can see a file swap.mp4. Now let's take a look on the before and after, and here you can see it worked perfectly. So this was a list of my favorite face swapping AI tools, and I hope it's gonna be your favorite too. So that's it from this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.